Hi, it's Brenda. Just wanted to tell you guys a couple of things, a couple of thank yous, and a message to my patrons as soon as the kitty butt gets out of my face. Hi, welcome to my channel, My New Me, where you get to watch as I try to make sense out of the chaos that has become my life and my home. How lucky are you? Yeah, you. When I am not posting videos, because I know it does take me some time in between, I do randomly, sporadically, but as consistently as I do everything else, post to the community tab on YouTube. You can see under, if you click on you go into the videos, you click on My New Me, it'll take you to my channel page, which is this right here. So I have had people say that they don't know how to get to the community tab, and they don't know what it is. So I'm just gonna show you. So when you're watching one of my videos, if you click on my channel name, My New Me, it'll take you to the channel homepage, which is this. Well, that's my version of it, but yours is very similar. And you have these different tabs down here: home, videos, playlists, community, channels, and about. If you click on the videos, it'll list all the videos that I've uploaded since the very beginning, 2 years, 3.5 months ago. So I think you can sort it by, if you click on sort by most popular, date added oldest, or date added newest. Makes it a little bit easier. So it'll list all the videos. If you come over to the community tab and click on that, this is where I make random posts and pictures, and usually just whatever incoherent thought happens to pop into my head at the time. And you folks can comment back when I do make those posts. So that is there, and I do that, as I said, sporadically, when a thought pops in my head. I also have a Facebook page. Here's my Facebook page with, of course, Addie on top. It is, go away, little blue box. Under Brenda is the first name. My New Me, all one word, is the last name. Okay, I was going to scroll down on Facebook, but I'm not going to because it shows other people on there, and I don't want to show anybody's names, pictures, anything like that without permission. So, but I will make posts on this. You can post on my wall if you're part of Facebook. Another option is Twitter. I don't use this as often. I have a hard time following it for whatever reason. But I do struggle a little bit with Twitter. However, it's at My New Me, all one word, _. Brenda for Twitter. But the links for all of these is in the description box below. And probably most often, though, it's Facebook and the community tab on YouTube. If you're on YouTube, I'm trying to post more often. It's just sometimes there's no thought in my head. The thought just isn't there. I'll just post some non-thoughts. Also, I would like to once again give a huge thank you to everyone who donated to our GoFundMe. You are making this RV life happen so much faster. I mean, it's getting ready for it. We really want to make sure that we don't make any stupid mistakes that is going to be costly for us down the road. So we're making sure that all of our T's are crossed, all of our I's are dotted. I mean, we did have some financial responsibilities when we left the old house, because we left the old house doesn't mean that every financial responsibility we had disappeared. However, most of them have been taken care of. The boy has one more payment on his student loans, and then that is over and done with. Yay. We are working towards starting the RV life with as little money outgoing as possible to make our transition into the life that much easier. And if it means an extra month or two here, well, then that's what it means. At least we're trying to be smart about it. However, that being said, I mean, the GoFundMe money is sitting in a savings account, and when I see the latest cool new gadget on Amazon or somewhere, it is kind of hard to not. It's like, oh, that would be perfect for the RV. And it's like, no, not going to do it. And it is a little hard to not jump on the first RV that I think is cool and get it. But so far we haven't found any that really, really fit our needs. We're talking that we are going to end up having to go farther from our home area to do it. There just aren't that many in this area. So, but this is a good time to buy, because people that never used their RV in the past, this past summer and the summer before or whatever, don't want to have to pay to winterize it, and often decide at this time of year to sell. So we are still looking, we are still working towards it, planning towards it, and trying very hard to not just jump on the first thing that looks good and take off. In the meantime, we're living as cheaply as we can and saving every penny we can. Thank you very, very much for, I am still in awe of how unbelievably kind and generous and supportive and encouraging all of you folks are. I do appreciate that very, very much. And I have a message to my patrons on my Patreon account. You folks have been so incredibly kind, generous, patient, very, very much appreciated, and very, very underthanked. When I first set this up 2 years ago, I had all these big visions of what the tiers would be and what I would do with this account, and it was not working out very well. I mean, my defense, I did try the first couple of months, and it was just not. I really struggled with it. I really had trouble with it. However, I have come up with something else that I hope you'll enjoy. As you know, when I was in the hazmat house and in the hotel apartment, I didn't have internet for a while and didn't have access to internet. However, I was still busy. I spent that time writing stories. So many of you have strongly urged me to write stories, to write a book, to write children's stories, and so on. I spent the time writing little short stories about our life and our past. And so what I have done is, once a week on Saturday around 6 p.m., a new story will appear on my Patreon page to my patrons. I already have 2 months worth written, uploaded, and pre-scheduled on Patreon. If, and this is a great big red flashing capital lettered if, I did it right. However, I did a trial story that is available to everyone, so you can kind of see the type of stories that I'm writing for you folks. And that should go live at the same time that this video is going live. If, again, the whole big blinking flashing if I pre-scheduled this video correctly. So, hopefully I did it right. And both of these should go live Monday night, September 9th at 6 p.m. So, thank you for being so patient for so long. I am very, very sorry I have not followed through on the tiers that I had set up. I really think when I first set this up, my eyes were definitely bigger than my stomach. My vision was definitely bigger than my skills and my abilities. I've changed the tiers. There really are no tiers, but I couldn't figure out how to delete them. So instead, I just made them all the same tier, and that will be the stories that will come up. I made all the tiers to be the same reward. I guess that's what they call it. So all the tiers are the same reward, and this reward will be the stories that will become available for my patrons every Saturday about 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Eastern Standard Time. So I hope you enjoy them. Little glimpses into my life, into my past, the boys' life, and I hope they bring you some smiles. And again, thank you very, very much to everyone. Just the wonderful comments, just the support, the the encouragement, the ideas, the suggestions. Just acknowledging that I exist is just, you folks are wonderful. So I do really, really appreciate it. So the links to everything are in the description box below. My Facebook page, let's go back there. There we go. So my Facebook page, the links to that is in the description box below. The community tab on my YouTube channel, there's no link to that. Just click on my name and then go over here to community. I don't know, maybe someone can answer this in the comments below. On the community tab, does that come up in notifications when I post on community? Is that how you guys know that something's there? I don't know. But that's how you get to it, to see, if you want to see what I'm saying when I'm saying it. And then my Patreon account, the link to that is in the description box below. And again, there should be a story that is available for everyone if you're interested in reading it. That should appear Monday night, September 9th, around 6 p.m. Hopefully it's there. And then Twitter, which I'm not that great at following and posting to. I get very confused by Twitter. There's I don't know, it's confusing to me. But I'm trying. I think I expect it to be like Facebook and it isn't. And then there's always my email, if you want to contact me via email. That's always there, and that is in the description box below. So again, thank you to everyone very, very much. You folks really are amazing. Oh, I also wanted to thank everyone who ordered a Mr. Thingie from my Amazon affiliate link. That has been a huge help as well. I've been keeping Mr. Thingie's link in the description box below because people say they absolutely love him. I absolutely love him. I still use him all the time. Just makes life so easy. But if you order on using my link, I do get a small commission from anything that you order, and it does not cost you anything extra. Once again, thank you very much to everyone. To my patrons, I really do hope you enjoy the stories. And thanks for watching. Take care and toodles.